About it.
No, I don't like being on camera.
Tell us about the bugger.
It's a 1910 Fielding and Platt oil engine.
Right. How long have you had it?
About 4 years.
Right. Come on.
What else would you like to know?
Let's see you fire it up first swing.
It's a temperamental shot.
No, it's not. Started easy enough.
It's nice and warm.
Do you have to keep the burner on all the time?
It depends. I have had it running for about an hour without the burner on, but it was after it had already been running for about 3 hours. I finally turned the burner off.
Right.
You've got to get it very warm.
Or get a decent load on it.
Yeah. And when it was new, it drove a compressor, so it only run for about 20 minutes as a donkey engine.
Right.